Welcome to GOYUM Screw Press. Mini Baobab seed oil extraction plant installed in Ghana by GOYUM Screw Press. A vertical type boiler is installed which utilizes agro waste as a fuel to generate steam. This steam is utilized to preheat the seeds prior to oil extraction. A kettle mounted on top of the press is used to roast the seeds using steam from the boiler. The conditioned seeds enter the press and are subsequently squeezed under tremendous pressure. The pressed cake is discharged from the cone end. The oil and foot seep out from the press cage. The oil flows through a trench into the underground storage tank. This oil is then pumped to the filter press. The filtration process effectively removes impurities and suspended solids, resulting in the production of filtered oil. The filtered oil is transferred to a final filtered oil storage tank. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.